What is the Northwest Passage? Have you ever wondered about a water route that could connect to great oceans? The Northwest Passage is that very route, linking the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through the Arctic Archipelago of Canada. This passage stretches around 900 miles from east to west, connecting the northern coast of North America to the Beaufort Sea above Alaska. For centuries, explorers have been fascinated by the Northwest Passage. They sought a quicker shipping route between Europe and Asia, hoping to avoid the longer traditional routes like the Panama Canal. However, navigating this passage has been a daunting task. The harsh Arctic conditions, including thick ice and dangerous waters, made it nearly impossible for many. The first successful navigation of the Northwest Passage was accomplished by Roald Amundsen from 1903 to 1906. His journey marked a major milestone in Arctic exploration and opened the door for future expeditions. The Northwest Passage is particularly important in the context of polar regions. It lies within the Arctic Circle, surrounded by a network of islands and waterways. This area is home to diverse wildlife and indigenous communities who have lived there for generations. The region experiences long winters and short summers, making navigation challenging. In recent years, climate change has altered sea ice coverage, making the Northwest Passage more accessible for modern vessels. This change presents a potential shortcut for shipping, which could reduce travel time and fuel consumption. However, the passage's use is complicated by sovereignty disputes. Canada claims it as part of its internal waters, while the United States views it as an international strait. This legal uncertainty affects its viability for commercial shipping and geopolitical interests. Culturally and ecologically, the Northwest Passage holds great significance. It is part of the Inuit Nunangat, the homeland of the Inuit people, and supports a rich ecosystem that is sensitive to environmental changes. As climate change continues to impact the Arctic, the Northwest Passage remains a focal point for discussions on environmental conservation and economic development in the polar regions. In summary, the Northwest Passage is not just a water route. It is a symbol of exploration, cultural heritage, and the ongoing challenges posed by climate change. Understanding its history and significance helps us appreciate the complexities of the polar regions and their future.